friend invites you to a party that is on at the same time as a cricket match you're playing in.
Clues before you choose.
All of the cricketers made a commitment to the team. The success of the team depends on all players. A good friend will understand your commitment. You chose to play cricket and then go to the party. You made the right choice. You're in the playground at school and a student pushes you off the swing.
Clues before you choose.
You know that behavior is against school rules. Your dad told you not to fight even if others want you to. Although upset, you realize the other student has a problem and not you. You chose to go to your teacher and explain what happened. You made the right choice. Your mom asks you to go to the market. On the way, you see friends who are smoking and they offer you a cigarette.
Clues before you choose.
You know that smoking is harmful. You remember it was hard for your uncle to quit. Although you want to impress your friends, you know smoking is wrong. You chose to say no thanks and continue with your errand. You made the right choice.